Tower 1, this is the outdoor hobby guy wanting to lift off with the DJI drone.
Welcome back to the channel. My name's Steve. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, thanks for joining me today. It means a lot to me. I wanted to talk a little bit about this drone that I got. I was so excited to buy a drone. I've wanted one for, it's got to be a year now. I'm so jealous of all the other guys on the YouTube with the drone. I love seeing the surrounding areas and just getting those different points of view. So this week, we got a couple of things. Number one, we got the wood in. We were able to get ourselves 3 cords of wood. It's all hardwood maple. So that was kind of fun stacking that up. But today's video is not about the wood or the tractor or the four-wheeler. Today's video is going to be about DJI's Mini 4 Pro. So this is the combo kit. I bought it from Amazon. It comes with the RC2 remote and 3 batteries with the charger case and the DJI drone, of course. It also came with a cool little travel bag. So the reason why I bought the drone is I love to get some of this aerial footage for you guys. I am jealous of the other YouTubers that have the aerial footage. So I'm going to get some aerial footage for today. I'm going to get some around the cottage, some around in town, some lake. I'm going to try to get some tractor. And then we'll talk a little bit more about the DJI and some of the cool features as to why I bought it and why I wanted to add it to the channel. So let's not waste any more time. Let's fly, baby. So stick around.
Tower 1, this is the outdoor hobby guy wanting to lift off with the DJI drone. Outdoor hobby guy, you're clear for takeoff.
Let's do it. Well guys, there you have it. The Mini 4 Pro with the RC2 controller. I hope you like the footage that I got. I'm gonna bring you some more. We're gonna get on that backhoe now. I think what I'm gonna do, because the lighting in my garage is not the best, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna attach it, I'm gonna bring it outside, and then give you guys a more in-depth look on how it's attached and how to attach it properly. Just want to send out a shout out to all my subscribers. Thanks a lot for being there. Really appreciate it. Thanks for coming on board. If you want to see some more tractor stuff, we got snowmobile stuff and boating we're going to put on. And quads. We're pretty much doing everything. I'm the outdoor hobby guy. Thanks a lot for joining me. Stay tuned for our next episode. Be well, be safe, and have a great week.